Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with an update on what's going to be a very soggy week of weather across the ArkLaTex, but the good news is temperatures will remain well below normal. You can see the reason why as we look at the overall weather pattern. We have upper level high pressure centered over the desert southwest, more upper level ridging out here in the Atlantic, and a pretty good trough here centered in between the two highs, which is actually going to stay put here for the next several days, keeping temperatures below normal and keeping that threat of rain in the forecast probably through the weekend, the way it looks right now. Here's how the next few days could play out as we check out Robin's Toyota Futurecast, and you can see that tonight. We will see the main focus of the rain remain over the southern sections of the area. That's where it's been for the most part today, and that rain likely will decrease some late tonight. Tomorrow we'll see some more scattered thunderstorms develop, but notice more widespread over the south, but we will see some scattered activity near and north of Interstate 30 during the afternoon tomorrow. That activity will diminish as we cool off tomorrow night as we stay mostly cloudy. And then Wednesday, another possibility for those scattered showers and thunderstorms. Again, they will be most widespread over deep East Texas and northwest Louisiana. Now, moving forward, this likely will continue as we go through the last half of the work week. You can see the upper level troughing here. Notice as we go into Thursday, still some semblance of this trough with the flow coming on the back side of this upper level ridge here, basically from the Gulf of Mexico into the south and southeastern sections of the country, and this likely is going to continue as we go into the weekend. The ridging getting closer to us here, centered over the southeastern U.S., but we'll continue to see that pitch off of the Gulf of Mexico, which will keep that chance of rain and quite a few clouds in our area into the weekend. Then by the time we get into next week, we will see the center of the ridge right over the ArkLaTex. That will greatly reduce any chances of rain, and we'll start to see more normal temperatures return to the ArkLaTex as we go through next week, and that probably will stay and remain the case as we go through the vast majority of next week. As far as rainfall, again, there's a big variation depending on the model that you look at. This is the 7-day projection from the Weather Prediction Center. They indicate most of the area 1 inch to 1.5 inches. We could see totals of 2 to over 3 inches over the next 7 days over the south and southeastern half of the area. Now keep in mind, high-res models do tend to show scattered locations which could see heavier totals. This is the next 2 days from Futurecast, and anywhere there's yellow, that's at least 2 inches. The oranges indicate 4 inches, so we could be looking at some rather heavy rain over especially deep East Texas and northwest Louisiana south of Interstate 20. Notice Futurecast very much limits the amount of rain over the next couple of days over the northern sections of the area. So your forecast looks like this for tonight. We will see the areas of rain continue, a little bit of thunder mixed in. The heaviest rain will be over the southern half of the ArkLaTex. You can see that reflected by the rainfall probabilities. Overnight lows tonight will be in the upper 60s to low 70s. Tomorrow, best chance of rain, East Texas, northwest Louisiana. Notice the smaller rainfall chances further to the north, as we'll see highs pretty much in the middle 80s. Notice the normal high 95, so temperatures tomorrow a good 10 degrees below normal for this time of year. That likely will remain the case as we go through the rest of the work week. Highs will be in the mid-80s, overnight lows in the low 70s. Notice with that ridge building over us, we will see the rainfall chances diminish, and we'll start to warm up this weekend with highs closer to 90, and then the mid-90s return as we dry out heading through next week. And even though we will see a chance for some rain pretty much each and every day, flooding at this point not expected to be a widespread issue, nor is any threat of any widespread severe weather issues. So quite a bit of rain and much below normal temperatures as we go through the rest of this week and this weekend.